Welcome to the Baking Lowdown. Today we will be making peanut butter bars.
Yes, from the Vegan at Times cookbook.
We're going to make this for a while now.
Yeah, it's been on our list. Now we're gonna make it. There's two different steps. First, you're gonna preheat the oven at 350. You're gonna line an 8x8 baking pan with parchment paper. After you grease it with a little bit of oil. For the crust, you're gonna need 12 graham crackers. And crunch those up either by hand or in a food processor. I'm gonna use the food processor because it's faster and we have it, so why not utilize it? Some sugar and coconut oil, and that'll be your crust layer, and then we will get into the filling after. We got our graham cracker mix. You're gonna measure out to a 1/3 cup of your graham crackers crumbled up, and you're gonna add in your 3 tablespoons of sugar. You're gonna mix this in, and then you're gonna start adding in your coconut oil, which is gonna be about 5 tablespoons. And the mix should be pretty moist, but it should stick and hold together. If not, just put a little bit more oil. That's what your graham cracker base should look like after you finish stamping it down. You can use a cup or whatever you like, but just flatten down your crumbs to the pan nice and tight. Now you're gonna put your graham crackers in the oven that you preheated at 350 for 10 minutes, and then let it cool while you are making the filling. Now for our filling, 1 cup of peanut butter. Logan has a 1/2 cup of sugar. Put that in. Yep. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And add that in too.
Be careful not to spill it.
Yep. There you go. Sweet. And you're gonna mix this very well till it gets creamy. And then you'll add in your coconut cream. That'll be a 1/4 cup of that. Once you have your graham cracker base down, you're gonna pour your peanut butter mix in. Then you can go ahead and melt down your chocolate. And you're just gonna drizzle that all over top. You can take some peanuts, crush those up, and put them right on top as you see here. And this is your final product after you leave it in the fridge for about an hour. We used a different coconut cream. It had almond milk in it, so it wasn't as thick as it should be, but it was delicious.